Well, that puts a stop to me working there. That's a lot of rain. Hopefully it stops by 5 or 6. Maybe I can get an hour in. Done an hour and a half yesterday, so an hour is good. So the fox is back and I blocked it off again. That's the second time since my last video. Yesterday it was raining, so I didn't do anything. And let's see how far we can get today. That's 79. Did I dig too much? Check this morning after filling it up yesterday, and the fox has not come back, which I hope means he's gone. So I carry on digging. Nearly there. That's the line, and just need to go that level, which is 80, and this is about 30, 40, 50, 60 there. There's a mound. That's ready. And I am sweating like crazy. Not used to this. This is hard work. I don't know how long it's going to take. I figured if I was healthy, this amount that I've done, well, in the past 4 days, would take a day. The amount of it actually took about 5 hours at most. So if that's 5 hours altogether, 4 there to there, 10, 20, 25, 30 hours. So about 4 or 5 days could have been done. Being not very healthy, and it's going to take me a bit longer, but it should be worth it. If you like what you're watching, hit the subscribe, or if you got any tips for me, leave a comment. See you next time. Okay, nice sign of the fox. This is a 3-meter trench, and you go that way. Need to also break concrete there. A slab there, need to get that broken. Move all this crap. But today I'm going to level this out and go this way. See how this goes. There's another hoe, handy with the hand, single-handed, especially with little bits like this. Anyway, so I started going on the other side. Still a bit high there. Need to take that down, but it's finding the angle. So once I remove this, I should be able to get the angle to do that bit. And up to here is 80, then it slopes. And yeah, carry on tomorrow. Make another video. And if you enjoy this, hit the like button, subscribe for the next video. Sweating quite a bit. I contacted a concrete company. They want to charge me 24 square 24 meters, 600 wide, 800 deep. Gonna fill it up to 700 deep, and it's 1200 pounds or 1100 pounds I guess, and 250 for the pump, because it's more than 35 meters from the property, but then you got another 8 meters to the driveway, so that's going to cost a bit. 250 they said. What else? Tool I've been using a bit. That's the other tool I've been using. Mainly this, the hoe, the post hole digger, fork and shovel. Shovel when it's raining, or when it's rained, then it's okay for a bit, like half an inch. The fork doesn't go in at all unless I go below where that hole is, and into the clay. Yeah, I can use a shovel there, but it's very awkward because of the place it is in. There's a mound. I've been using that wooden plank to go up and dump it, and yeah, so I've got a concrete slab here underneath. I need to break it all the way up to here because it's going to come out this way and then go that way all the way to the end. I made a sketch of it on Blender 3D with the windows, doors and the stuff, heights, dimensions, etc. I'll post that in another video, and till next time.